Happy to have you along on this Thursday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Of course, it has been a fairly active week thus far, but now looking at some slightly quieter conditions. We are going to be drying out after some very heavy rainfall from the central U.S. up into the northeast over the last several days. Temperature roller coaster now. Up and down out ahead of some of these storm systems and behind the storm systems, and then, of course, a tropical update. And that's where we start you off now. Gonzalo, our first major hurricane of the 2014 Atlantic hurricane season. And as of earlier Thursday, we had winds up to 140 miles per hour. That's a Category 4 storm, so very strong. Now, the storm is concerning because it is heading north, and there's Bermuda right underneath my finger. So this is expected to be out near Bermuda by either late tonight or early tomorrow. So some big impacts on that small island there. Flood concerns do continue through about midday as you get up into some of the northeastern regions. I should mention that 1 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen, so any additional heavy rainfall, at least early on in the day, could lead to some additional flooding potential. A little bit of wraparound moisture there through the Ohio Valley during the day today, and then still some rain in the west coast and the Willamette Valley, and even some high elevation snow. In fact, getting reports from yesterday and some of the ski resorts in Oregon for snowfall. Storm system that brought us our severe weather earlier this week has pretty much got itself cut off from the upper level winds almost, and that is why it's moving so slowly up to the north. We do warm up a little bit out ahead of this next front, dropping down some colder air in the northeast, the Great Lakes, and the Ohio Valley this weekend. But look at this large ridge of high pressure that builds over the Rockies and the plains over the next several days. We're going to be above average in those areas, but a little bit below average still through the Ohio Valley and down into the southeast. Temperatures today struggle to get to the mid-60s in Atlanta. A few spotty showers there, but lots of sun through the central U.S.